Hey, what's Gucci, everybody? Boy Sneak back all up in this thing, man. And today I'm finna wrap the roof of my car. You know what I'm saying? And so before I wrap it, I wanna clay bar it, just the roof. But my car ain't dirty. You know what I'm saying? Like, keep it clean, but you wanna make sure you got a nice, clean surface when you about to wrap something. So, and I haven't clay barred my car since I had it, you know what I'm saying? I keep it clean and keep it waxed up, but I haven't clay barred it. So I'm finna clay bar the roof. If you don't know what that is, I'll show y'all, you know what I'm saying? I'll show y'all what it is right quick, but pretty much, you know what I'm saying, it's a bar of clay. Duh, you know what I'm saying? And you, when you go over your paint, you know what I'm saying? It pretty much lifts up all the impurities off your paint, you know what I'm saying? Like when you rub your finger across your paint, when you don't feel it like completely smooth, sometimes you'll feel it like a little gritty. It gets all that stuff up, you know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna do that to the roof of my car so it'll be a nice, clean, smooth surface to go ahead and wrap it, you know what I'm saying? My previous video, doing a little paint correction on my roof with like just a few chip spots. So I pretty much did a paint correction and sanded it and faired it in with everything else, you know what I'm saying? So it's again a nice smooth surface. But anyway, let's go check out this clay bar kit I got, you know what I'm saying? Go show y'all what's up in there. We get outside and clay bar the car, and I'm either gonna include me wrapping the roof in this video, or it might be another video. I don't know yet, you know what I'm saying? Depending how long this take. I might chop it up into two, might make it one. So I don't know. I'll catch y'all outside when we get up out. Actually, yeah, I'll catch y'all outside and I'll take the clay bar. We'll see what's up. Yes, sir. Alright, y'all, so we outside with it, and here go the clay bar kit I picked up. I just picked it up Walmart, McGuire's. From what I hear, this is you know, good brand to use, been around for a while. Pretty much what comes in there is their detailer spray, a microfiber cloth, and we got 3 of these clay bars. This is the size of them. I'm either gonna chop it like in half or in a third, or maybe I'll probably chop it in like a third and just use that third because I'm only doing the roof. So I don't think I'll need this whole bar, you know what I'm saying? If I do, I'll just come back and get one of those other pieces. So yeah, that's pretty much all that come in there, you know what I'm saying? Like I said, there's 2 more clay bars in there, but I don't need to really use all this. And all you want to do, you take the detailer spray it on your car, you get it wet, and you take your piece of this and you kind of fold it over and knead it, you know what I'm saying? And just go over the wet portions and you do little section by section, and I'm gonna do the whole roof like that. And what I also have is these gloves. I'm gonna probably only use gloves on one hand, the hand that I'm using to hold the clay bar. From what I hear, it's good to not get this stuff, you know, all on your hands and stuff. Can be a little messy. And you know, when I was buying this from the store, I ended up chopping it up with this old head who was pretty much telling me the exact same thing, you know, that this is a good product and that I should pick up some gloves, which I already had, you know what I'm saying? But without further ado, let's go ahead and get into it. Yeah, I guess I'll just see y'all at the whip, and you know what I'm saying, just give y'all a little bit of footage of me getting straight into it, you feel me? Not that complicated, but let's get it. Alright, y'all, so we right here at the whip, and what I'm gonna do first is actually just go ahead and spray it down with this detailer spray and wipe it down and get all the big stuff off, and then I'm gonna clay bar it. So just one good go with the spray, wipe it down, you know, just a first level of clean. Then we gonna get in the clay bar in this thing. You wanna get your car in a nice shaded area. You don't want to be in direct sunlight when you're doing this. So I'll clean this off and I'll see y'all in a second. Alright, so we got our first official wipe off. Next, just want to knead this dough. So I mean this clay, so just knead it, you know what I'm saying, stretch it out some, fold it over. Just do that a couple times and you're pretty much ready to go. Like I said, whatever area you're working on, you want to make sure it's wet with your spray. So Knead this up, and then I'm gonna go ahead and put a glove, one of these on my dominant hand, which is gonna be holding the my clay bar, and then my other hand I probably just leave free, and I had the detailing spray in that hand. So this pretty much feel, you know, good to me like that. So let's get into it. Alright, so I'm gonna just show y'all this one section. The rest of the roof pretty much gonna be the same, so it don't make sense to show y'all all of that, but you know what I'm saying, like I said, it's pretty easy, self-explanatory. Wherever you at, make sure it's nice and wet with your detailing spray. And then, and from it being white, let's see if y'all can see that, it's getting dirty already. So I'm gonna hit up the whole car like this, and you can hit it in little circles. You can go straight swipes up and down, however you want to do it. But yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and get this roof done. And as you're doing this, as this thing starts to get dirty on that one side you're using, you pretty much just take that, fold it over. It's a clean side, knead it some more. You know, maybe you need another fold. Fold that again, knead it in, and then you got a fresh side again. You know what I'm saying? And you can go ahead and continue. Oh yeah, and one more thing. After you use these and you're done with them, talking about these clay bars, throw them away. Don't try to reuse them. Even if you use it a little bit, throw it away. You know what I'm saying? That's why you cut off the pieces that you're gonna use. And while you're clay barring, if you keep folding over and kneading, and you notice that stuff's getting in there, or you know that you pretty much done use it to the point where every time you fold it you're still seeing stuff, throw it away, go to your next piece. Again, if you drop this, so you're doing your car and you drop this on the ground, and you know some gravel and stuff gets on it, throw it away, because you don't want to be working that into your car and have a little rock or a little piece of gravel and then you start scratching your paint up. So yeah, after you finish a section, you just go ahead and you can wipe it off with your microfiber cloth. That's nice and smooth, and you keep it going. So I got a full roof ahead of me, so y'all know what to do, man. Like I said, I might make this its own video, so y'all make sure y'all go ahead and like, comment, subscribe. Check me out on Instagram, all other social media. It's the same, sneak_804. And I'll holler at y'all in the next one. Peace out for now. Squat.